What is going on, everybody? Syed Ahmed back again with another YouTube video. Assalamu alaikum. Today's YouTube video, guys, we will be going over how I made like 30% trading a stock. Yes, you heard that right. One single stock, 30%, not clickbait, not cap. I'm going to show you the proof of it and everything. So, if you guys are interested, like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. Excuse me, alhamdulillah. But yeah, I thought it would be a good idea to do this because of the fact that a couple days ago, I posted a video going over how I blew my trading account. Now that was a video, or the video was recent, but the story was from a couple of years ago, and I felt that it was a good video to make because a lot of people talk about the goods of trading, right? They talk about how much money they make, the new car they got, etc. They never ever talk about the bad. So here I am talking about the bad, but of course with the good, with the bad comes the good, right? The good, the bad, the ugly. I mean, it all comes in waves, guys, right? So I'm gonna go over the good now, which is aka me as a profitable trader right now. So yeah, we're gonna go over the trade, guys, and let's get into it. And if you guys are wondering, your boy posts a lot on TikTok. So whenever I take trades, guys, I call them out on TikTok. So if you follow me on TikTok, you can see every single trade that I take, the exact days that I take them, and everything. Okay, so if you're wondering if you want to take the trades the same day as me, you are completely welcome to. Now, again, I might start doing that on Twitter as well. I don't know, but we'll see. For right now, though, it's on TikTok. Okay, guys, so here's proof that I actually did make 20+% on this stock. So you can see on the screenshot that I posted today, you can see that I was up 22%. And you'll notice, guys, that this is not Photoshop, this is not clickbait, this is nothing of that sort, right? Because you can see filled records right over here. You can see I bought at $48, okay? And you can see I bought it on March 4th at about 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see I sold a partial, so I still have 50% of my position open on this trade. So you can see I sold a partial at 56.38 on March 7th, aka today, at again like 10:10 a.m. EST. So 22% gain on the trading account. Again, guys, Webull, regulated US stockbroker, no Fugazi forex, unregulated broker stuff over here, guys. I'm a legitimate day trader, mashallah said, that makes money from trading. Okay, and you notice that last price 58.58. That was how I saw a 22% gain, right? And if you come over here, excuse me, my eyes are really itchy. At peak, guys, today, I mean, we were sitting at what? We were sitting at over 40% gain at peak. Right now we're sitting at about 33%. Mashallah said 34%. So yeah, this is on shares, guys. Shares. I'm not trading options or anything. I'm not trading, like, this is shares. You know how insane that is? But I'm gonna go over why I took the trade, why I like the setup that I did, and yeah, let's get into it. So what do you notice, guys? Let's zoom in over here for a second. All right. This stock likes to do a couple of things, and it does them really well. All right. What it likes to do, guys, is that it likes to run up, like so, right? It has a very strong, quick run up, and then it has a pullback, right? And it has a pullback, and it tightens, right? Price just tight, tight, tight. That's what price does, right? Tight, tight, tight. You'll notice, bam. Notice right over here, right? What do you notice? You're gonna notice this pattern happening a lot, right? In the type of trades that I take, higher lows being made, lower highs being made, strong, quick run up, right? Let's look at this run up. You can see from this open to here, 50% gain, right? Starts to pull back to the moving averages. What do you see? Strong breakout occurring. What do you see again, right? Higher lows being made, lower highs being made, pullback. What do you notice over here, guys? Same exact thing. Another thing that I kind of forgot to tell you about. You can't really see volume over here, guys, so we'll forget about it. Well, I guess you could kind of see it. But look at the volume. Sharp spike in price, right? Sharp spike in the volume, and then it trails down. And it starts to die down, and then eventually starts to pick back up. What do you see then? Volume starts to die down again, right? So with the breakouts, you're going to see strong volume happening. And then when the pullbacks happen, you're going to see volume drying down. Okay, that's exactly what ends up happening here. We get the higher lows, we get the lower highs. And then what do you see happens again? A strong breakout. Now, like us. In full 100% transparency, I did not take this trade. Now you guys might be wondering, say, if this is exactly what you're talking about, why the heck would you not take this trade? The reason I didn't take this trade, guys, is because of the fact that I wasn't swing trading back then. Okay, swing trading is something that I decided to start doing, swing trading stocks starting February. Okay, so before then I wasn't doing this. This is January 17th. You'll notice this is a fantastic trade that you could have took. So honestly, guys, look, with this trade you would have made 6R. With this trade, you would have made about 2R, and with this trade, you're currently up 4R, and you would have secured 1R, right? So think about this for a second. Let me grab another quick screenshot for my for my TikTok slash Instagram. Oh man, 36%, mashallah. Bro, I hope it goes back to the 40% range. That's gonna be a crazy screenshot. All right, anyways, but inshallah ta'ala, and hopefully it just continues rocking up from there. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so right now, dude, you would have made 6%, 2%, 1%. You would be up 9%, sorry, not 9%, 9R. Your R multiple on this stock would be 9R just from one stock alone. Do you know how insane that is, guys? Do you know how swing trading too? Do you know how crazy it is, guys? All you're gonna do, place your order, bam, enter, and you're just falling asleep. You're letting the market do whatever it wants. Oh, okay, close it over here. Okay, enter again. Close it over here again. Like, I'm not doing anything, guys. You have to understand. Your boy is not glued to the charts, glued to like watching the screen like a hawk, like I was with day trading, like I was with scalping. No, I place my orders, I enter the trade, and I go about my day. Like you think I made 30% by watching the screen? Hell no, dude. I made 30% by placing my order, placing my stop loss, and now your boy's chilling. That's what I love about swing trading, guys. Anyways, but yeah, going back to the overall theme that I was trying to tell you guys before I went on that ramble. Again, so it did it once, right? Pushes up, pulls back, pushes up, pulls back. What do you see happen over here? Pushes up, pulls back. All right, bam. Now you'll notice not a lot of higher lows being made as often, but we're getting a decent amount. We're getting a small amount of higher lows. We're getting lower highs, right? And also there wasn't really that strong of a spike in volume, nor was there a sharp decline in volume. I was looking to take this setup, guys. I didn't because at this point I was converting my account. So when you're converting your account, you're not allowed to trade. Alhamdulillah, excuse me. So that's why I didn't take the setup. I would have made money, honestly, guys. So kind of pisses. It's whatever. Like I would have made money, but you know, you can't really do anything about that. I just couldn't take this setup. But you'll notice that, let me delete this for a second. This setup was really good, right? So what do you notice here? Simple, clear higher lows being made, right? Lower highs being made, thin inside bar doji candle. Okay, here's the thing, guys. When we're looking for these stocks, right, the stocks will not be going up forever. Okay, it's really that simple. So at one point or another, if a stock is up 50%, it's going to pull back. If a stock is up 100%, it will pull back. And when it pulls back, we're looking for signs that it's going to continue going in our favor. When we see those signs, that is when we're going to be trading. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you. So when we see those signs, that's when we're looking to trade. So when we get that pullback, we're getting those higher lows being made, we're getting those lower highs being made. This is our sign that, hey, we're getting a strong pullback. Maybe we're going to see that price is going to continue, right? Because again, guys, we're not buying highs, we're buying lows. Okay, so once the volume starts to dry down as well, right? You'll notice what do you have here? We'll have higher volume drying down, right? That is again giving us another confluence. Okay, the stock was very strong. It was pumping up. It was just rocketing straight up. Okay, now it's starting to pull back. Now the price action is tightening. It's making higher lows. It's making lower highs. Volume was really strong. Volume was very high. Now it's pulling back. Okay, so now with all of these factors, now I need to see bullish momentum stepping into the market. If I don't see bullish momentum, I'm not taking the trade. All right, I want to see strong bullish high momentum. Okay, now what do you see happens here? Let's hop down to the lower time frames for a second. Okay, let's go to when I actually got in the trade. Okay, what do you see right over here? Right, not that much momentum, not that much momentum, and then bam, all of a sudden a strong amount of momentum. That is what I want to see. I want to see this strong momentum. I want to see that strong candle breaking these highs. Look at that. Look at how much volume there is in comparison to the overall days. Look at the first couple of candles, right? Not really that much volume except for this one. Look at the first couple of candles over here. A lot more volume. I wish I could somehow, some way, like make this better. It's not gonna work. Unfortunate. Anyways, but you get what I'm saying here, right? Is that can I make this bigger? No. Anyways, you notice that very small amount of volume, right? And then all of a sudden it starts to pick up, and it's a lot bigger now. And then we have this strong candle pulling up, breaking previous day's highs. That's when I got in, right? That was the breakout setup for me. Very simple stuff. And you'll notice that I just held it, and that's how I made money. It's as very simple as that. Like that's like you'll notice, guys, I didn't spend that much time talking about the entry because the entry is the least important thing about this, right? The most important thing, find a stock that's rallying. right? Then wait for the pullback to happen. Wait for it to catch up, right? Wait for the EMAs to catch up. Wait for the pullback. You want consolidation to be around this exponential moving averages. This is the 10. This is the 21, by the way, guys. Right? Wait for volumes to start drying down. Those are the most important parts. The entry, guys, who cares about the entry? It doesn't take that long. It's not really that difficult. You see volume coming into the market and you see it breaking previous day's highs, then you enter the trade. It's really as simple as that. Right? Now you'll notice, guys, right? Today, when market opened, guys, market opened, this candle was insane. Like you should have seen this, the bearish candle. It looked like this, guys. This is how it looked like. Like straight up just absolute massive bearish engulfing candle. Market open. That's why you see this bottom wick. But you'll notice I didn't do anything. I held my position because I was I had strong conviction in my trade. And so I held my conviction, and guess what ended up happening? The candle ended up reversing, and now it looks like this with a wick at the bottom. Right? This is why you should follow your trades, guys. Imagine I closed it out over here. I would not be up 40% at one point, 30+% now, mashallah say, on my position. No, I wouldn't be up that much money. I would be out of it, and I'd be like kicking myself in the butt because I got out of a winning trade too quickly. So that's why you have to hold your trades, guys, and that's why you have to be smart and follow your trading plan, right? Especially with swing trading, guys, because you are waiting for a lot of days of movement. Okay, you'll notice that some days, guys, there isn't that much movement. First day we had a lot of movement. This is what you want to see, right? Second day we had a decent amount of movement, but then it pulled back. Third day it was just super thin, right? So you have to wait for a lot of days for the pullback, for the actual like move to occur, you know, especially with swing trading. So, you know, you have to understand that you're swing trading here. You're on the daily time frame. It's going to take a couple of days. You're not on the 5-minute time frame that stuff is going to happen in 30 minutes. All right. So if you see pullbacks, if you see price going against you, don't worry about it. Follow your trading plan. We were up a lot of money. I took a partial. My stop loss is now at break even. So now I'm risk free on the trade. And like honestly, guys, I have a partial running. So I have a runner running. We'll see how far this goes. Mashallah, so far it's been doing really well. And so hopefully it just blows up. Like imagine I catch him like a trade like this, guys. Imagine it just goes up, catch like a 1 to 6, 1 to 10 hour. It's possible. With this strategy, it's possible. That's why you leave a runner. So inshallah, guys, this trade does really well. Hopefully. And yeah, that's it for this, guys. Not really much else to say. That being said, guys, I hope everything is well with you. If you like this sort of content, guys, definitely subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below. I will be posting more trade breakdowns. I'm going to be getting a lot better at this. I'm going to be posting losers as well. So I don't want you guys just thinking I'm always winning. That's just not the case, guys. But I'm going to be posting losers as well as winners. So, you know, if you like this content, if you want to learn more, definitely subscribe to the channel. That being said, guys, assalamu alaikum, Allah hafiz, peace out.